Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be talking about hyaluronic acid. If you do have any question about hyaluronic acid or AHA, hopefully this video is going to answer your questions, because I like to go deep into this topic today and then discuss about what it is, what kind of acid it is and how it's produced and why it is helpful in skincare world. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So hyaluronic acid is also known as hyaluron, which actually exists in our body. This is a water attracting molecule that lubricates our joints. It helps to the tissue repair as well. So in average 70 kilogram person, let's say 154 pound person, has 15 grams of hyaluronic acid, or I would say hyaluron, in the body. But however, this weight usually decreases by age. As you age, slowly you start to lose hyaluronic acid, or I would say hyaluron, in the body. Hyaluronic acid is a major component of skin where it helps with tissue repair. When hyaluronic acid is exposed to the UV rays, it usually gets damaged. That's why you do see the sunburn on the skin, and then it slowly decreases the production of hyaluron as well. So that's the reason why it helps. That's the reason why your skin gets very irritated after the sun damage, and the moisture, the moisture production of your skin slowly decreases as well, because the hyaluron is not being able to produce that much moisture after getting damaged from the UV rays. So hyaluron plays a role in developing small tumors as well. Surprisingly, that's amazing. People have actually made the research about it, and then they actually have found that if you do get a tumor in your body, that hyaluron actually is going to help to developing process of it. Very interesting. Yeah, that's what I have found in my research, and I was so surprised, and I wanted to let you guys know about it too. So anyway, hyaluronic acid is going to regulate the general skin activity, like the water content, elasticity. It helps with the distribution of nutrients to the skin as well. So its water absorbent abilities and large molecule structure allows the epidermis to achieve great suppleness. Hyaluronic acid is a natural moisturizing agent, especially in solution where you mix 2% hyaluronic acid with 98% water. Hyaluronic acid is going to hold the water so tightly where it actually creates a gel-like texture. That's the reason why people say that hyaluronic acid is able to carry 1,000 times, is able to carry water 1,000 times of its weight, because how much it's able to hold the water to itself. So, and when applied to the skin, it acts the same, holds the water, holds the moisture so tightly. That's why it's recommended to apply hyaluronic acid on the skin best before your skincare products. Let's say if you do use cleanser and toner, best to follow up with the hyaluronic acid before the treatment, like serum and moisturizer. That's the reason why I do use hyaluronic acid first in my skincare routine, so I want to get the best out of my treatment. Some companies actually use hyaluronic acid in a heavier textured products as well, because it actually helps to kind of loosen up the product, so that way you don't feel the greasiness too much on the skin. Let's say oils or like a waxy products, they do infuse some hyaluronic acid to make it kind of loose, if it makes any sense. So hyaluronic acid gives immediate smoothness to the skin and improves the skin texture over time, especially if you do use it on a regular basis. And actually hyaluronic acid is required to use repeatedly to get the best result of it, because after 24 to 48 hours hyaluronic acid on the skin slowly starts to break down. That's why you have to reapply it again on a regular basis. So as you use hyaluronic acid repeatedly, you will actually notice huge difference in the hydration of your skin, and it actually helps with the moisture as well. People nowadays now inject hyaluronic acid to the skin. It is gonna last longer than you do apply it topically on the skin. Obviously, there is some concentration in the injections are, you know, much stronger and also heavier, like infused with hyaluronic acid. But however, if you do apply it topically, obviously it's going to break down much quicker, you know, than the regular injections. So the main reason behind I do use hyaluronic acid is, you know, I want to get the best out of my skincare products. And also, you know, me being so dehydrated, you know, like my skin being so dehydrated and also dry, it's gonna help a lot. It doesn't necessarily mean that if you do have oily skin, you don't have to use hyaluronic acid serum or, you know, hyaluronic acid products. I recommend to any skin type, you know, like whether you have a sensitive skin, oily skin, dry skin. I personally think every single person needs to own or must own hyaluronic acid serum in their skincare routine. The best one for your budget is pure hyaluronic acid serum from Cosmetica. I have been using this for a very, very long time. However, you guys know there is a saying that you get what you pay for. So this actually is extremely liquidy product. Now, the best way to find out great quality hyaluronic acid serum is if the serum is thick enough. I have actually tried the hyaluronic acid serum on my skin, and that was the best one that I have ever tried so far. And then again, the price tag is much higher than the pure hyaluronic acid serum from Cosmetica. That one retails $40 something. I will list the price definitely. And this one you can buy it for $15. And then obviously for the money that you pay, you are not going to get that much of a concentrated hyaluronic acid in this product. But it is still, in my opinion, better to use some sort of hyaluronic acid serum on the skin before applying skincare products. All right, I think this video helped, you know, like gave you a little bit more information about what hyaluronic acid is and why you have to use it in your skincare routine. And you know what is it gonna do, you know, overall to your skin and to your body. And by the way, I have to mention that there is a supplement also that is made from hyaluronic acid as well. I have actually tried the oral supplement that they have made. It was a dropper. You would pretty much mix it in the water and then drink it every morning. I have noticed that my mouth had so much saliva every time I tried that supplement, but then I kind of stopped it because I was having a lot of irritation in my stomach, so I had to avoid any supplements for a while. So that's the reason why I kind of stopped using that oral hyaluronic acid supplement. Just do your research and then see what's going to help the best for your body and your skin, and then go from there. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment below what you want to see next, and thumbs up the video if you liked it, you know, so that way I know that you liked the video, and then try my best to make more informative videos in the future like this. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I am making videos 3 times a week now. Hopefully you're gonna come back and hang out with me. All right guys, you guys have a great day. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye guys.